showing how the BlueArc ECU is configured and running in test mode, and just doing a couple of stupid wild tests. You're going to activate the test mode, so basically the ECU can run on itself, and there you can hear the thing running, and then you can have a look at the lights. It's a little bit difficult to see all of the green lights. Why don't I see that there? The flicker rate or something is weird, but anyway, they are firing correctly, and it just looks weird on the camera. Okay, Hannes, draai gou vir ons die battery terminals om daarso op die ECU se goeders. Daar's ECU's off. Clearly the terminals are wrong because the red is that side and the earth is that side. Yeah, obviously there's nothing happening at the moment. Draai hulle gou weer vir ons asseblief. Sparks. ECU's reading from got 4 injectors connected. Alright, and then we go and run test mode again. There, test mode, come on. Okay. As you can see, no problems. If I disconnect that one, then number 4 will stay on. There, and it fires again. If I remove the wire, it stays on. This one is actually positive. Just gonna. Now it's making sparks on the wrong side, but anyway. It's making spark on that side. Okay, so there's obviously 12 volts. Connect the injector to positive, and the light's off again. Hannes, help my net gou hier. Sit gou vir my hierdie draadjies daar op asseblief. Ek kan nie die foon hanteer met daai nie. You shouldn't short circuit it by act. Oh shit, it's working again. Okay, point taken, not yet. Have a nice day.